Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this YIKEDAN or YIKEDAN outdoor hammock for two people with two aluminium tent poles. We have here an ultralight travel hammock with a maximum of nearly 300 kilogram load capacity. That means it's possible to sleep or have fun in this hammock here with two people. It's a double hammock for camping, including suspension and carabiner, 280 to 180 centimeter. The upgraded version here of the foldable 5-section thickened aluminum extensive pole can keep the mat open, effectively avoiding the pressure of the hammock wrapping, reducing sidewiping and rolling up. It can also be used as a tent pole for camping and hiking supplies. This cozy camping hammock here is ideal for all outdoor activities. With the sewn-on pockets, we also have a little storage space with us. It's perfect to take with us on the go, for vacation, for outdoor activities, and so on. This 280 centimeter long and 180 centimeter wide hammock is designed for two people. Space is here enough. It's big enough for us to sit and lie down as much as we like. And despite its considerable size, this hammock packs very compactly and is incredibly light. 2 pints of weight can withstand a force of more than 300 kilograms. The YIKEDAN is a brand specializing in outdoor and garden products. They offer a wide range of outdoor and garden products, including hammocks, ornaments, and other accessories. They strive to provide us customers with products that are both stylish and comfortable, so that they and we can enjoy their outdoor and gardening experience in a good way. Would we like to lie in the garden and read a book or admire the starry sky at night? Is there anything better than sleeping under the stars? Gazing at the stars at the beach, in the mountains, or on the roof of our hostel is one of the backpackers' favorite pastimes. The YIKEDAN camping hammock here can meet all our needs. Now we set it light up, we lie down and enjoy the camping life in easy and comfortable moments. It's really easy to attach. It comes with 2 carabiners, 2 straps, a hammock, and 2 aluminum rods, a storage bag. We look for a pair of trees, 3 up to 4 or 5 meters apart, that can be support a hammock. Then we can strap around the tree at the height around 1.5 meter. Then we pass the strap to the loop and tighten it. We click the hammock to the loop with the carabiner clip. Of course, we repeat this on the other side. Then we insert the aluminum pole to correspond to the position of the air holes. And that we continue with the other side too. And after this, we can have a relaxing time on our YIKEDAN outdoor hammock for 2 people, up to 2 people. Of course, you can lie down alone too if you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.